You'll be missed very much.
Yeah. But
out your window. Sorry guys. We had other things we had to do. But now we can take a ride. My big green tractor. This probably makes it look like I'm driving and I'm not.
brand new condo.
Really, Ben?
Yeah,
You've got the. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. I know my quality is probably gonna go down eventually, but I just can't wait. Like, my quality stinks ever since I went to Irma.
Yeah.
All that rain, and now all of this, you can hear like the static in the audio. Like it's obviously it sounds cruddy, but especially because this is on it.
Right.
No, was something once here or something, or are they just building
Hotels
something?
got wiped away in the last week.
Okay. Gotcha. Sure, some of these streets look familiar. Hey, ABC, what's up?
Alright, so looking for 8 to 9 foot garages.
Alright.
6, 7, that's not gonna work. That will pull the camper off.
You guys are in sync. Hey guys. This isn't gonna last long. I keep doing like little intervals.
There's 8 feet, but that's not a parking deck.
Yeah, it's not. It's beautiful out here.
Beautiful. They have Ben and Jerry's here? Guys! I'm sorry, it's a New England thing. This is the worst road ever. Like, this guy's got to turn, we gotta go straight, but they're blocking the way. Understandably.
We got a turn lane.
Oh, I know.
And of course, they're not going to have the right of way. So
We won't. Will we have enough? We have enough room? Wow. This thing's huge. Can't even think that was the job I was gonna do just because it was something different.
got people coming down the wrong way.
I mean, typically this road is just packed with people, and I mean, looking at it right now, it's just almost empty, except for those few mangling pedestrians and, you know, people who just like to bike into the middle of the road. I'm just freaking crying out.
Yeah.
Well, that's about all you're seeing for now. Bye.